Hello everyone, Hatam for Objection, back again with the news as we always promise. Today we talk about Braun Face Epilator. This is premium edition from Braun. Okay, sorry, I'll open like this because I hold by one hand. I'm gonna talk about, honestly, you know, my channel is Hatam Ali for Objection, which is mean I object about everything right and not right. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about what's the issue of this machine, okay? Why you should buy and why you should not buy. It came with, as you see, the box I threw it away. I don't need it. It came with package, brush for cleaning, and mirror. This is a limited edition. This is mirror. This is zoom mirror, which is mean it will appear in your face. See, it's have battery to appear well when you want to move here or something. This is cool, and it's have this brush. You know, you put this brush here, and you. Sorry, let me show you well. You put this brush. You do right, it's going right. You do left, it's go turn left. It doesn't matter. And this brush, it's let you, you know, it's for massaging your face. You got me. If you will do it, she will cleaning face massage. It's soft brush. It's nice. And we do have here the epilator for itself. Okay, this is the head. You turn it like this. Wait, I will. Okay, you connect like this, and this is protection, and start moving here. Okay. What I object about this machine, guys, that it's nice. You know, guys, I have a little bit hair in my face. You got me? I am not hairy that much. Just this hair, I don't want to shave it because I don't want that it's gonna make green under my skin in my face, and it's not good. So I use it for myself as man. It's tough and everything, but I don't know why. After 1 month of using, less than 1 month, start to have voice here, like something broken in the motor inside. I can't understand why. I don't have tough hair in my face. But even if you have tough face, this machine should be for any kind of hair in face. Tough, not tough. I'm not shaving beard with this machine. I'm just moving little bit hair in the middle of my face. You got me? And maybe 4 or 5 hair above my eyebrows. I move them. No matter tough or not tough, this machine should be. But my point here, what I'm objecting about this machine, she is fucking eater for battery. Guys, you think if you have this is Duracell, you got me, alkaline, okay? Or this energizer is gonna work with her? Ha, dream. Guys, with this machine, nothing work. You know, only this battery in loop, this Panasonic, I mean strong charger battery. And you know, guys, what? No matter, you see, now I charge this battery full. This battery is supposed to stay 2 months in my, you know, this battery stay 2 months in my gaming wireless mouse, you got me? And she stay in my other devices like flash memory that I use, if I have a flashlight for night. It stay too long. Here, I don't know, if you keep this battery inside, she gonna eat it. I don't know why. I charge it full. I keep it inside here without using. I found that battery empty. Guys, I'm gonna install it inside. I'm gonna show you. Okay. You know, I don't know. This battery are full. See? What's wrong? Many times it's do this with me. Now the battery are full. I just charge it full, okay? Doesn't want to turn on. Sometimes turn on, sometimes not turn on. You got me? And the battery are full. I'm not telling you that... I don't know, guys. First of all, it's have voice here appear for me. I mean, the machine is new. It start to have voice. I feel that this motor will fucked up, but it's okay. Nothing happened. But this voice become too high, and now the battery. You know, guys, battery not stay with you. If you would put full charger battery, maximum 1 time, and you have to charge it back again. You got me? I can't understand. And now I don't know what's wrong at all. It doesn't want to work. You got me? I move it. I don't know what's wrong with her at all. And by the way, I charged this full, and I have another one Panasonic battery that charged full. Anyway, even if it's work later, now I will see what's there. I will maybe it's need time. I don't know what's wrong. But anyway, guys, I'm telling you, this Braun is not that cool product. I mean, actually, so shame that Braun do something like this. Actually, I feel so shame. German company like this, and this one is original. I feel so shame how Braun creates something like this, honestly. I spent $100 to $25 except shipping, and every time you need to replacement battery. Every time, battery not stay, not hold, every time. Even when the battery charged full, it's works slowly. Need time to warming, you know. I swear to God to you guys, you know. The battery are full, and she need time that motor start to warm well. I can't understand why it's happened like this. Every time have this shit. So this is what I'm telling you. Also, this is another issue. You got me? When the battery are full, I open. She works so slowly. You got me? When she works so slowly, which is mean this head will not gonna move your head well, your hair well. And number two, you're gonna suffer. You listen to me. The battery why should be charged well. This one would go speedily. When he goes speedily, you're not gonna suffer for moving hair, because she will move it fast. But when she slowly, she like grabbing your hair slowly. It's paining, you know. So I charge battery full. I open. It doesn't want to work now at all. I don't know what's fucking wrong with her. You know, I open it. She do like this. I keep it, you know, I keep it time. Later, I turn it on, I turn it off, I keep her time. After time, she start to work speedily. With the same battery, I didn't change it, you got me? It's have same battery. Just after time, start to be more speedily. Honestly, I'm objecting about this product. It sucks as fuck. Yeah, it was when she work well, when she start to warm. I can't understand. Like she work by diesel. In the beginning, it's not working well. And when it start to work well, it start to, you know... when it start to work well, start to be speedily. I can't understand. I open, she slowly, you got me? I move the battery, back put this battery again. Then move it, back put it again. I don't know, I start to do tricks like this, then she start to work well, you got me? Start to work speedily. But the batteries are completely charged, start to work speedily, and then I could move it, my hair with. Because if it will not be speedily, you're gonna torture yourself. You got me? It is gonna be silent hell. So you have to charge it, have this to be speedily, and now it doesn't want to work at all. Guys, I'm telling you, stay away from this product. I mean, who wanna buy it is, I don't know. It's according to your luck. Sometimes it's gonna work with you, sometimes not gonna work, sometimes it's gonna be like me. But I see a lot of people. I see a sister of my friend. She also say that have issue. Also, she say for me, she's eater for battery as fuck. She say whatever I put battery, next day I open it's you know, guys, if you keep the battery inside her, next day you will find this battery empty. Looks like while she's now turning off, she's also eating battery. I'm sure about this. What does it mean? I put battery, next day it's not turning her on at all. So anyway, guys, this was my opinion about this Braun, and I don't advise you to buy it. I mean, it's wasting money. Better to find some other product. Maybe the Philips have, or maybe another product have. This one are failure 100%. So thanks for watching with Hatem Ali for Objection. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up twice. You got me, press twice to put 2 times thumbs up. And see you again on another videos. I have a lot of videos to show. As always, never have time. When I will be free once in my life, I don't know. I will reach grave one day and I still not finish videos, still not finish the items in my safe box. Anyway, guys, okay, see you again in another video, and peace and love for everyone. I'm in a rush because I have a lot of videos to do, because I have to go outside. I have a lot of things to do. Bye bye, peace, love for everyone.